Hello friends, in this video we are going to see that what are all variables in Java and primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Both the things we are going to see. Here I have given variables and accessible level, local variable, static variable, instance variable. These are the three variables we are using in Java accessible level. So based on their restriction, we can categorize as local, static and instance. Static means accessible only within the class. If any variable declared as static, then it's accessible only within the class. If it's an instance, that is accessible within class. But for that you have to create object if it's an instance one, even though it's declared within the class. You have to create object if we declare those variables are instance. Local object, if we declare anything within the method, that is called local variable. Here are some of the data types. Those are primitive data type and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are the primary data type. That's all very important data. Those are dealing with numbers and characters. Non-primitive data types are three things: string, arrays, class and objects related are non-primitive data types. Here I have given the byte size, everything very clearly. So here I have listed up to 8 something. Those are the primitive data types: byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character, boolean. And size of that data type also I have given. 1 byte is 1 byte, short is 2 bytes, and integer 4 bytes, long 8 bytes, float 4 bytes, character 2 bytes, boolean 1 byte. Boolean we are using it for true or false. It will check the condition and return the value as true or false. Character, this one, CHAR. Those are the primitive data types and the size of that one. Non-primitive data types are string, arrays, class, objects. These are called non-primitive data type. Primarily we are using these data types. That's why we are calling it as primitive data type. Other things are non-primitive. That's all. So these are the things about data types. Class also will come under non-primitive data type. Objects also will come under non-primitive data type. So here I have